We're nearly there.
Right, full screen. Here we go. Right. This meeting's been recorded.
Oh yeah, so the meeting's been recorded. We won't use it for anything, but it's just for us to get a record when we announce the winners. Right.
Sean, are you back with us as well?
I am, Chris.
Excellent. Okay, so Sean, you're going to help me a little bit with this, but first of all, what everybody's been waiting for, let me just say that was just a fantastic experience for all of the judges then. And let me just again pay tribute to the fantastic innovative practice that you want to try and implement within the NHS and social care and within communities. We take our hat off to you, don't we, Sean? Take your hat
Absolutely.
off.
Hat off.
They were just absolutely extraordinary. The passion, the professionalism, the drive, the determination to make a difference is just absolutely fantastic. And along with your collaborators and indeed with your partners, I pay tribute to you all. Absolutely fantastic. So for that reason, it was tough to make some decisions. Of course it was, which is why we've kept you there for a little bit longer than we thought. However, we have come to a conclusion that we have 5 winners tonight, yeah? Now, when I say you have 5 winners, they will go to the next stage. Sean will explain that in a moment. But more importantly, there are so many projects here that will get follow-up calls. So in the next 24 to 48 hours, for many of you, please accept the call from partners who will want to help and support you. So you may not have won tonight, but there will be an opportunity for you to partner with our collaborators then in order to drive forward some of your projects, because whilst they haven't had the success they may have had tonight, there's a real opportunity in driving this forward. Does that all make sense? Yeah? Got a thumbs up? Okay, so I'm going to try and do this in some sort of style that allows you to get really, really excited. And I want you to clap and put your thumbs up when I hear the winner or you hear the winner. So the first winner, and this was from room 2. The first winner is that dog that's just been barking in the background. Yay! Right. The first winner is Karsten Eichmann.
Hey.
Hey, well done, Karsten. So this is the urine output, important measure for kidney function. Remember his 1 minute plug last time. So well done, Karsten. Are you there? Give us a hands up if you have. Well done. Absolutely superb. Now then, let me take one then from room 1. So the winner, or one of the winners in room 1 then, is Sam Rice. Good reaction.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Sam, you are doing a sterling job there. So this is developing a resource or a system that can offer psychological support to healthcare professionals who could help to maintain the resilience of NHS staff and help them stay productive and positive in these extremely uncertain times. A very worthy winner, I'm sure you will agree. Back to room 2. So the next person to come through room 2 is Mooley Doddy. Is that right? Yay, well done. Right, good reaction, John Paul Wells, good reaction there. So that's the ENT department in Royal Glamorgan. 3,000 patients on the waiting list. They're going to sort out the backlog. Let us know how you do it and then share it amongst the rest of the world and the NHS in particular within Wales. Okay, I'm going back to room 1. My wife thinks I'm going absolutely bonkers in here. I'm going back to room 1 then, and the other winner from room 1 is Keir Lewis. So Keir, congratulations. Yay, well done. So this is a track app that could track symptoms post-COVID or long COVID that people are suffering with within the community. So congratulations, Keir Lewis. And our final winner for this evening then is, oh, that's a good moment, isn't it? Just like the X Factor. John Wells. Yes, good reaction, John. I can see you there. Well done. Congratulations. So this is to develop a unified digital workflow for the treatment of facial skin cancer. Well done, John. Absolutely superb. Good. Okay, so that's it now then. Those are the five winners for this evening. But let me just be clear, there's lots and lots of good ideas that will be followed up outside of tonight so that we can make sure that you have the support that you need to try and implement your project. Okay. Now then, Sean, explain next steps, and then I'm going to say a few thank yous. Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you, Chris. So yes, winners, I will be in touch. We will get together. We will work out exactly what you need, and we'll match you up with different bits of funding. Yeah. And then we'll be off, I hope. So you can expect me to get in touch, as Chris said, over the next couple of days. and it'd be great if you can make yourselves available. I've got a slightly longer list then of people that I might tap up just to see if we can draw you into that conversation in different ways, maybe support you with your projects ourselves. I'll remind you that Emily is going to share information about local innovation leads who'll be very keen to work with you and support you. And as Chris has mentioned, because we've had this conversation in the panel, organizations like Life Sciences, Agor IP, Accelerate are going to be getting in touch with a whole bunch of people over the next few days, maybe weeks, because there's a lot of people to help and support. So please look out for that contact. Other than that, that's it for me, Chris. I'll hand it back. It's good night from me, as they say.
Yeah, and it's hello from him. It'll be good night from him and me in a moment. But you wouldn't believe we were the two Ronnies, would you? Right, look, can I just say a few thank yous then, particularly to our sponsors, yeah, Bevan Commission, the Life Sciences Hub, M-SParc, Agor IP, Accelerate, Welsh NHS Innovation Leads, absolutely great job, Research Innovation Improvement Coordination Hubs, Medi Wales, Welsh Government, thanks to Abby, in particular, Digital Health Ecosystem Wales, and Simply Do, the platform provider. Great job, everyone. We couldn't do it without you, and you've done a fantastic job this evening. Really big thank you to Sean, as always, does a sterling job to help us on track. Jonathan, who was in the other room. Jonathan, diolch yn fawr iawn, great job as well. Look, a really special welcome, and a special thank you then to Emily. She is just the best person in the world. Woo! If I had the opportunity, I would have to adopt her as my daughter because she's done such a great job. But let's just give a really diolch yn fawr iawn, Emily. Just a great job again. Absolutely superb. Special thanks to my fellow dragons. Yeah. You're the best dragons I've worked with today. So thank you very much, one and all. Absolutely superb. And to my fellow judges. Helen, great job. Thanks for chairing the other panel. Absolutely superb. And also big thanks again to all of the pitchers and the collaborators. And just a final thanks. Yeah, a final thanks to you all for all that you do day in, day out to drive improvements and innovation which improves patient care. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd. A great job that you're doing every day. Thank you very much. Please stay safe and well. Cheers.
And thank you, Chris, as well.
Thank you very much, Chris.
Take care, everyone.
Thank you.
I'll just hang on the line, Helen, a moment, yeah? Sean, hang on a second. Emily, just hang on a sec. John, you're there as well, yeah? Hang on, John. Hello, Leo. Goodbye, Leo.
There you go. I've turfed a few out, Chris.
Okay. Right. Okay, team. How did that sound then? Seemed okay?
Yeah, well done. That was good. I would have been mortified if it was a first, second, third, or whatever. Do you know what I mean? It was, you know, I think that was good.
Yeah.
I think actually listening to the spread as well, I think there was a really nice spread in the end.
Yeah.